Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's plant will start with the Cycad series. This particular one is the Cycad cardboard Cycad, Furfuracea name, Zamia Furfuracea, as is scientifically known. And yes, it is called the cardboard palm. And this is why. Because basically the leaves are like carbon, hard as rocks. But I think the term that's commonly used with these plants, the cycads, most of them, they've been around for a long, long time. I think, if I recall reading somewhere along the line, that the dinosaurs back in the old days used to eat them for food, so they've been around. So they're surviving plants, and several of the two that I have grow are more used for ground covers in most places where low maintenance is required. So that's the purpose of this plant. So it is the cardboard palm, and just take a look at it. Has little stubs. It grows from a bulb, as you can see back down there. And if you look at the stems, they have these little sharp points on them. And when you work with it, just make sure you got gloves on. And the stems reach out from this little bulb, and from the center, that little section over here is where the seed pods will emerge from, and they come up like a cone. Pretty much all of them, same series like that comes out with all of the cycads. So that's it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, we're all ears. If you have any pointers, we're all ears also. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.